Why don't seniors ever play hide and seek with their walking sticks? Because good ones are always a standing. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on best walking stick for seniors. Tip 1. Adjustability. A significant feature to look out for in a walking stick is adjustability. Each user should be able to correct the length of the stick according to their height and comfort level. An overly long or short stick can lead to discomfort and potential accidents. Some sticks have a telescopic feature, while others contain increments upon which adjustments are made. Tip 2. Comfortable grip. A comfortable grip is very important as the person will be holding the stick for long periods. The handle should fit well into your hand and should not slip, move, or cause blisters. Some cane grips are made from rubber, plastic, or foam and are specially designed to provide a comfortable grip. Tip 3. Material and durability. Walking sticks can be made from several types of materials, including aluminum, wood, and carbon fiber. Each of these materials has pros and cons. Hence, buyers need to consider their lifestyle before settling for a particular material. Additionally, the walking stick should be sturdy and durable to ensure it supports the user's weight. Tip 4. Weight limit. Each walking stick has a maximum weight limit that it can bear without disrupting functionality. Therefore, choosing a stick that can support the weight of the senior person is crucial. Failure to do so can lead to instabilities or even complete failure of the walking stick. Tip 5. Design and aesthetic. While design is largely subjective and dependent on the user's preference, straight and offset are the two main options. An offset design reduces wrist strain, while a straight handle allows for multiple grasping points. Moreover, you should ensure the stick gels well aesthetically with the user's style and personality. Tip 6. Support and stability. More than just a walking aid, a good walking stick should provide excellent support and stability. Some walking sticks feature prongs or a wide base for better balance. These can come in handy for seniors prone to falls or with severe mobility issues. Tip 7. Wrist straps. A wrist strap can help prevent the walking stick from falling when a senior loses his or her grip. This might reduce instances where the senior has to bend and pick the stick up, reducing any risk of falling. Tip 8. Check the tip. The tip at the bottom of the stick provides traction and balance. A non-skid rubber tip, for example, can prevent slips and falls. Moreover, some sticks have a replaceable tip, so when one wears out, it can easily be replaced. Tip 9. Folding feature. A walking stick with a folding feature can be ideal for seniors who travel a lot. Having a folded walking stick reduces luggage when traveling and makes it easier to store. Tip 10. Soundness of the locking mechanism. The locking mechanism should be robust and easy to operate. An unsafe or complicated lock could pose a risk of slipping and even falling. Tip 11. Test before purchase. Debatably the most important point. Seniors should always test multiple walking sticks before settling on a specific one. This helps them find a stick that fits, comes naturally to grip, height, and comfort levels. It also gives them a feel of the weight and overall experience they can expect from using the stick.